Ash trees are a common sight across Britain, often lining our highways or as features in our parks and gardens. But these trees are coming under threat from a disease commonly known as ash dieback. The fungus that causes the disease is called Hymenopsyphus fraxinea. It was first recorded in the UK in 2012. The fungi develops on dead leaves, producing spores that rapidly spread in the air. It develops particularly well on dead leaves in the leaf litter over winter, which then infect the new growth in spring and summer. Ash dieback can kill young trees in less than a year and mature trees in 3 to 5 years. And although not always fatal, it can leave the trees vulnerable to further infections from other pathogens and diseases such as honey fungus. The easiest way to tell if an ash tree is infected is to look at the leaf cover. Affected trees are put into one of 4 classes dictated by the loss of foliage. A Class 1 tree, which is the least affected tree, will have lost up to 25% of its leaf cover. However, a Class 4 tree, which is the most seriously affected, will have lost at least 75% of its leaf cover. Whilst there is currently no cure or preventative measure for ash dieback, steps can be taken to minimise the risk to you, your property and others, something that you as a tree owner may have a duty to do. Trees of which not posing a direct threat can be left and only occasionally pruned to encourage new growth. However, in more extreme cases, where a tree of Class 2 or higher overhangs a property or a highway, a whole tree may need to be removed. If you're worried about your trees, please do not hesitate to contact us. Our office is staffed 5 days a week, 9 to 3:30, and one of our staff will be happy to book you in for a site visit.